Okay, so in order to go ahead and download MT5 on your phone, you need to actually go to your Apple or your Google store and download it. Once you download it, you should open it up and it should look like this. So download or search MetaTrader 5 on Google Play or iPhone. I'm on an iPhone, so mine may look a little different. Now, in order to log into your trading account, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go over here and click on settings, and then once you click on settings, you're gonna click on new account. When you click on new account, then you're gonna search the company's name. I already got mine up here, Coinex, but say if I wanted to search this, it already comes up. So you find your company, you click on it. When you click on it, then if you want to log in your demo, you're going to put demo. If you want to click live, you're going to do live. Your login information, there's going to be the same exact number that you use to log in on your computer. Password, the same exact password you use to log into your computer. Once you do that, you're going to sign in. Once you sign in, then you're going to see your trades. Actually, I wasn't trying to log into that account. Hold on one second. Okay, so now, if you're gonna do this, so now that you're logged in on your phone or your iPad or whatever, if you're gonna do this from here, the only thing that you can really control is not opening trades, but just closing the trades out. However, if on your home computer, the AutoTrader is still on, it's gonna immediately start taking new trades. Now, you could do bulk operations and say, boom, you gotta accept the terms. And then now, if you want to close all the losing trades, the profitable trades, like I showed you in the previous training, you could do it, or you could close everything out. Now, if you are somebody who wants full control from your iPad or your iPhone, meaning that you can even cut the AutoTrader off, then what you're going to need is to set up a VPS on your phone or or on your iPad or something like that. I would say if you have a tablet, if you're going to do the VPS route, do it that route. But I just want to show you can close all this stuff out on the phone. So if let me go back. I'm going to go bulk operations and then say I want to close all losing positions. Boom, it left the profitable one open. You get what I'm saying? Or if I wanted to close everything, it would have closed everything. And that's pretty much it. So inside the PDF and the training, there's going to be directions and instructions on how to set up a VPS. And then once you set up the VPS and you get that inside of your device, then you'll be able to have full control of the AutoTrader directly from your VPS.